What if I told you that you could get Amazon to pay you to flip their boring everyday products? Now, emphasis on their, because these products actually belong to Amazon and they're sitting in their fulfillment centers at this very moment, just waiting for you to profit from them. Now, we're not talking everyday run-of-the-mill wholesale, online arbitrage, or the Amazon influencer program. This that I'm sharing with you in this video, it's totally unique and can only be compared to what I would call Amazon day trading. It's the next best thing, and you'll see exactly why I call it that in just a short while. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the methodology, how it works. I'm going to show you some examples of products that you could profit from right now. I'm going to show you exactly how to find these opportunities on an ongoing basis, and a little bonus at the end, I'm going to show you how you can lock these in so that you can continue to profit from these opportunities time and time and time again, 6, 12, 18, 24 months from now and beyond. So just before I show you the first product, take a look at this pricing chart. So this is using a Chrome extension called Buybot Pro that just basically pulls in data from a platform called Keeper that aggregates and records pricing information for different Amazon products. So you can see that this is a 90-day period. Over the last 90 days, this product has consistently trended at a price of $54.95. And right now, at the time of recording this video, this product we can buy for $27.48. So if we were to just do the math on this quickly, I've already entered it into the Buybot Pro profit calculator here. I've entered the buy price, which is what we can buy it for right now, $27.48. And I've entered the usual selling price of $54.95. So that means that for every single one of these that we sell, with Amazon storing these products, picking, packing, and shipping to our customers on our behalf and handling all the customer service after, we can still make $14.16 per unit, which means that we grow our initial investment by 51.55%. And this is just one product. If we were to buy 4 of these, because there's a current limit on how many of these we can purchase, we can buy 4 of these from Amazon and the profit would work out at $56.66. Now this was just from one product that I found in 5 minutes before I hit the record button on this video. And there are many, many more like it that you could go and find right now. I've got some more that I can share here as well. So talking of boring products, and I'm sorry if I offend you with this. Maybe faucets are your favorite things in the world, but look, we're not talking really exciting toys and gadgets and things like that at this moment in time, although you absolutely can do that. So this faucet here we can currently buy from Amazon for $149.86. Now if we go take a look at the chart here, you can see that the price is somewhat volatile. It's up and down, and actually that's a really good sign. We love to see some volatility, but we also like to see some consistent sales at the price that we're hoping to achieve. So just to briefly explain this a little bit more without confusing you, this green line here is what's known as the BSR, the bestseller rank, and that sort of up and down motion of that line on this chart that being plotted out shows us that people are making purchases. You can see this red and orange section underneath. The darker the red, the more frequently that product is selling. So we can see here that loads of people have paid $263.61 for this product, and right now we can buy it for $149.86. So currently I've got in a very conservative resale price of $246.42. And that is based on the last buy box price average here of $246.62. So if you're unfamiliar with the buy box, it's the area on the Amazon product page where you can basically click add to cart. Now again, if you're unfamiliar with the platform, if you were to list this product for sale, it would go back on this exact same listing, and then Amazon would rotate your offer in amongst theirs and other competitors on the same listing, giving you a chance at the sale. And considering this one is selling 300 units in the last 30 days, and in fact it sold a lot more than that over the previous months, it's pretty safe to say that when we get our shot at the buy box, which should happen almost immediately if we price competitively, we would get a sale within weeks of the product arriving in stock. So like I said, right now we can buy this for $149.86. We can sell it for $246.42 and probably more than that, because we've got evidence here to support the fact that people are paying more, and we can see that when the price does go down, it does come back up. This is over a 6-month period, this chart, and we can look over a longer period if we want to see, does the price drop and does it recover, because that's more evidence that we like to back up what we're looking at here. But ultimately this looks like a really good opportunity that I would 100% invest in. So we can make $48.17 off of every one of these that we sell. Now there is a limit in place for 3 of these from Amazon, and that's the maximum we can buy. So based on buying 3 of these, we can make $144.51. Another example, just quickly here, we've got these, what are these? I'm not even sure what they are. That they look like some kind of brass handle. I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter what it is because we can profit from it. $16.87. We can actually buy 3 of these, which means we could get $50.61 profit from this product. Again, I found this in a few minutes just before hitting the record button for this video. Over the last 90 days, it's pretty consistently sold at a higher price, whilst it has had some price drops here and there. But again, that volatility is good. It shows us that there's up and down pricing motion. We want to buy when the product goes low and sell it when the product goes back high again. You can see back here, Amazon actually had these for $26.40 a little while ago. So we can buy it for a lot cheaper than that right now. And yeah, that means that we get the opportunity to turn it around for a profit a little bit faster than perhaps we might have looked at previously. And here's the last one. This is a little bit more of an expensive product, but it gives us a greater potential for profit for every unit that we sell. So $62.29 we could make off of every single one of these, which means again we grow our original investment by $33.64. We can buy 4 of these at a maximum, so that's nearly $250 profit, once again from just one single product line. And remember, I told you that at the end of this video I'm going to show you how you can lock these in so you can continue to rebuy them every time the price drops again in the future. And look, if you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to give it a like so that I know this is the sort of thing that you want to see in the future. Now that I've explained how the model works and I've shown you some examples, let me show you 2 places you can find these opportunities from right now. First place you can find these is at a website called Camel. Now, some of you might be familiar with this website. It was recently acquired by a different company, so it's not the original team that's behind the tool, but it works in exactly the same way. Better still, it's free. You don't need to pay to use it. They actually earn a commission off of you going onto Amazon and buying the products after you found them. And it doesn't affect you at all in the slightest bit. They just earn a small commission. So there's a couple of ways in which you can find these opportunities. The first one is right here on the top price drop section, and then you also have popular products. My preference has always been the popular products, and then we can narrow it down by category. So if we wanted to narrow it down to a category that we were familiar with, I like video games, and I prefer to buy those and resell those for a profit just because I like them. Then I would look through these and look for the products with the biggest discounts, or the biggest difference between the average price and the current price. So the average price here is $42.24 and the current price right now is $29.99. And I do believe if we go on to top price drops, it's going to show us the actual percentage discount. So we could once again go into video games, and if we wanted to, we could narrow it down by a percentage price drop and sort it by the most recent, either on a daily basis, by the percentage weekly, so on and so forth. So what we're looking for here is a saving that is of a significant percentage. So right here we have 42% saving. So I'm not going to go and check every single one of these right now because it will take a little while for us to do that. But this is what we're looking for. We're looking for these big price drops. And you should know that on these websites, we can narrow it down so that we can only see products from Amazon, with Amazon as the supplier. Because using this model, we never buy from anyone other than Amazon themselves. And the reason for that is because we get documentation that should we be challenged, Amazon will accept their own invoices to prove authenticity. Because every once in a while, Amazon will ask, hey, we just want to do a spot check and make sure that you're selling authentic products on our platform. And if you give them their own invoice, they can't dispute that the products are authentic. Now, I've seen people talking about this method in Facebook groups and forums and stuff like that, saying that it's not allowed. Amazon do not approve of it, and if they catch you doing it, they will ban you. It's simply not the case. I've been doing this for the best part of 10 years. We have people on our team and people in our community that have been doing this for many, many years and not had any problems whatsoever. Again, backed up by the fact that Amazon will accept their own invoices for proof of authenticity and even getting approval to sell products. That's right, you can get ungated with Amazon's invoices, which is another little extra added bonus and a bit of a golden egg situation if you think about it. Not only can you profit profit from these products, but you can also use them to get ungated. The second place, and my personal favorite, which I've left till last, is Keeper. So if you head to Keeper, you can then go to the deals section. Now, there is two versions of the Keeper account. You've got the paid account and the free account. You don't need the paid account for this. You can do it without, but honestly, it will help you to navigate to the deals faster, because without the paid account, you don't get the little BSR line, and which is the green line here, and that shows you what we want to see, this volatility of the, we want to see the up and down motion of the green line, because that shows us that sales are happening on a regular basis. Now, when I hover over this chart, shows me a 365-day window over which the product pricing and the sales activity has been happening. So with that, we're able to narrow down, let me just see if I can find one. Like this product here, it's only got a few drops on the BSR. Each drop is what's considered a sale. So over the past year, this has only sold like 10 or 11 units. So that wouldn't be something that I'd look at. So immediately I can remove it from my research. But you can see here, we've got a huge amount of products. We've actually got 4,801 that we could sort through here, one category at a time, and find these opportunities. So you can see this grayed out. These are the ones that I've checked. So these are some of the ones that I showed you as examples with the limited research that I did before we jumped onto this video. Those are the two places that you can find the products. Now let me show you how you can lock them in and be notified every single time the price drops in the future, so that you can continue to profit from these time and time again. Now, this is probably the biggest secret that most people miss with this opportunity, and that is being able to track these products. So I'm using my demo account here. I'm not using my personal one where I have all my products tracked, because I wouldn't want to share those here on YouTube. But essentially, if you wanted to be notified each time a product dropped in price, in fact, let's just use one of these here as an example. So if we grab the ASIN for this CD player and we go to track and we do a search for the ASIN, what we can do is be notified every time the product actually drops down to the same sort of price. Or if we want to be notified every time it reaches a minimum of $180 or less, we can have Keeper send us a notification. So here in the track product, we can just set Amazon, because again, we only want to buy from Amazon. We're not too concerned about the buy box. We want to know how much is Amazon selling it for. So every time the Amazon's price drops to 175 or less, we can track it for up to 10 years, which, I mean, I'd just stick it in for the maximum possible amount of time and then just hit start tracking. Then what Keeper will do is they will email you every time the price drops. So whilst you can only buy maybe 3 or 4 of that product at any one given time, that counter kind of resets maybe once every few weeks or once a month. So next time the price drops all the way down, you've already done the research, you've probably already sold it by that point, you know it's going to sell well, and you'd be quite happy to what we call replenish it, buy more of the same thing and send it in and profit from it a second, third, fourth, fifth, infinite amount of times over the coming months and years. So there you have it. That is, in a nutshell, Amazon day trading, or as we call them, Amazon flips, where you buy products from Amazon, resell them back on Amazon for a profit. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to leave it a like. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment sections below. And look, we've got so much more coming your way, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss another video. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you again next time.